What if I told you that you can study in Germany, one of the top study destinations in the world, without ever taking the IELTS test? No expensive exam fees, and in many cases, absolutely free tuition. If that sounds too good to be true, stay till the end, because in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how it works, which universities accept you without IELTS, and what you need instead. Let's go. Germany is home to over 400 internationally recognized universities, most of which charge zero tuition fees. Yes, even for international students. And the country is consistently ranked among the top destinations for higher education worldwide. But here's where most students get stuck. They think IELTS is mandatory. It's not, and I'll prove it right now. So if you don't have IELTS, what do German universities accept instead? Here are the most common alternatives. 1. Medium of instruction letter. If your previous degree or schooling was fully taught in English, your university can issue you an official letter confirming this. Most German universities accept this as proof of English proficiency. 2. Duolingo English test. A growing number of German universities now accept Duolingo scores. It's cheaper, faster, and can be taken from home. 3. University-specific English interview. Some universities conduct their own English proficiency interviews or internal tests, especially for postgraduate programs. Pro tip: always check the specific English language requirements on each university's official admissions page. Requirements vary by program and faculty, not just by university. Now let's get to the part you came here for. The list of German universities where you can apply without IELTS. 1. Technical University of Munich accepts MOI letter or TOEFL for English taught programs, QS top 50 globally. 2. RWTH Aachen University, MOI letter accepted for many English taught master's programs in engineering. 3. University of Hamburg, TOEFL or Duolingo accepted for several international master's programs. 4. Heidelberg University, one of Germany's oldest universities, accepts TOEFL and MOI letter. 5. Free University of Berlin, accepts TOEFL and proof of English medium education for select programs. 6. University of Bonn, several English-taught master's programs accept TOEFL or Duolingo. 7. Humboldt University of Berlin, English programs accept MOI letter from accredited institutions. 8. University of Cologne, accepts TOEFL or Duolingo for several postgraduate programs. 9. Jacobs University Bremen, now Constructor University, accepts Duolingo and MOI letters. 10. University of Stuttgart, TOEFL and MOI letter accepted for engineering and technology programs. And this is just a starting list. Platforms like daad.de and uni-assist.de list hundreds more programs. I'll drop the links below. Here's how to actually apply. Step by step. Step 1. Go to daad.de and search for English taught programs in your field. Filter by without IELTS or check individual program pages for language requirements. Step 2. Get your medium of instruction letter from your previous university's registrar. Do this early as it can take a few weeks. Step 3. Prepare your documents, transcripts, degree certificate, statement of purpose, SOP, CV, and recommendation letters. Step 4. Apply through uni-assist.de for most universities or directly through the university portal. Most deadlines fall between January and July depending on the intake. Step 5. Once admitted, apply for your German student visa at the nearest German embassy or consulate in your country. So there you have it. Germany is absolutely within reach, even without IELTS. The key is knowing which alternatives are accepted. Thousands of international students do this every year, and you can too. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll personally try to answer each one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Good luck.